Spring Math Centers are the perfect way to keep kids engaged and learning strong through the end of the school year. So here are my Spring Math Centers available in both first grade and second grade. This set in particular are my second grade math centers for both April and May. So here you will see just the outsides are the skills included, and then out at the end I will show you a set in particular. So here we have arrays and 3-digit subtraction. All of my sets include recording sheets on the outside, addition with regrouping, symmetry with pattern blocks. They also include recording sheets on the inside along with the pieces, multiplication, again subtraction with regrouping. Along with recording sheets and pieces, they will also get answer keys, so odd or even, missing add-ins. They also have full color, expanded form, counting money, telling time, geometry. These are aligned to the standards, comparing numbers, fractions. All of the months come with a checklist, so you can get a quick reference guide to see exactly what you need. So you can go right to the page in the file that you need to get to. Problem solving, spring stories. I know this is a big skill in second grade that kids struggle with. 3-digit addition, fractions, parts, and whole, along with full color. They also come in black and white for those teachers that can't necessarily always be printing in color. Comparing numbers, greater than, less than, money, all the way up to $50, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, and $50, and then time to the nearest 5 minutes. We're actually going to take a look inside this one to get a closer look just to see what is included in one of those. So giving you a peek inside, and this is a pretty standard center, so you can see kind of what's included. So again, recording sheet or the directions are on the outside, or however you decide to organize those. Recording sheet is included for each of these, and you also have an answer key for each of those. All the center pieces, I just put mine in a Ziploc bag, just as an example of how to do these. So this one is kind of a matching center where the kids will get a digital clock and an analog clock, and they have to match up the pieces to decide what the time is. So for example, if they start with card A, they have to read the time. This one says 1 o'clock, so then they find the match, this one for 1 o'clock, and then they go to their recording sheet, and the directions say write the digital time to match the analog clock. Make sure to write the answers in the correct box, and so then for box A, they would write 1 o'clock. And then down for B, B clock says 2:15, so they would match 2:15, and then they'd go to box B and write 2:15. Clock C says 3:30, so then they put 3:30, and then again go back up to box C and write 3:30, and then back down to clock flower D, 4:40, match it with the time of 4:40, and go back up and write 4:40 in box D. They would do that for all their pieces and then turn in their recording sheet. I have those for accountability. These make for great math centers. Have had wonderful feedback from teachers, just loving them. These are also available for the entire year as well.